So finally, how much does this battery cost? Well, most homes considering this battery are probably looking at about 15 kilowatt hours of storage. The closest you can get to that with the Sigenergy is a 10 kilowatt hour battery module and a 6 kilowatt hour module, which will give you about 14.6 kilowatt hours of usable storage capacity. And then when paired up with a 12 kilowatt energy controller, the price comes to about £8,000 fully installed. When paired up with the gateway as well for backup, then the price would increase to about £8,400. And some of you may be thinking, well, what if I don't need the 12 kilowatt energy controller? Well, the 10 kilowatt costs about £80 less, and the 8 kilowatt is about £100 less than that. So if you're going for an 8 or a 10 or a 12 kilowatt inverter, you may as well just go for the 12. Prices do drop significantly when you get to the 6 kilowatt inverter and below. The 6 kilowatt energy controller is about £500 cheaper than the 8 kilowatt. There is more of a difference between the battery modules. The 10 kilowatt hour battery module costs about 30% more than the 6 kilowatt hour battery. The EV DC charging units are quite expensive, and the 12 kilowatt alone costs about £1,450, and that's just the product cost. The 25 kilowatt module costs about £1,900. So to briefly touch on warranties before we end the video, the Sigen warranty is quite complicated, so it's worth reading that if you're concerned about it. The energy controllers come with a 10-year warranty, as do the batteries, guaranteeing 60% retained usable capacity after 10 years. The EV DC charger comes with a 3-year warranty, and the gateway comes with a 2-year warranty. Check out the warranties at the link on screen for all the details if you'd like to explore them further. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful, and if you're looking at getting a solar or battery system, then please do get in touch with us. We do everything in-house, and we've been going since 2010. If you have a battery system installed, please do comment which one you chose and why. And if you're looking at the Sigenergy system, then I'd really be interested to hear your thoughts. We do answer all the questions in the comments section, so please do feel free to ask if there's anything you're not sure about, or give us a call. And please do take a look at our other videos.